I would like to announce that AgenticFlow right now is support 2500 MCP server. MCP is a new protocol. The naming is Modal Contacts Protocol. It is like an adapter that connects your laptop to the world. So for a very long time already, chat application like OpenAI, ChatGPT, Cloudera, Cursor, they can answer your question and reasoning, but they cannot fulfill the picture. Every time that you need to do something, you need to copy their result, and then you go into different applications like Slack or Gmail or Google to do different things, and that copy and paste is killing me. MCP solve that problem. Just imagine like Slack or Gmail or Calendar, just like a different port that really normally cannot plug into your ChatGPT or AI agent, but MCP is an adapter that universal. They have standards like USB-C, so that everyone can plug into the MCP adapter. Adapter will plug to your PC. That have access to the remote services, but also for local services as well, like your file system and so on. MCP is super powerful, but it is very hard to set it up and running, because right now not many MCP clients support this. We are proud to announce that AgenticFlow right now is support 1500 MCP. So what you can do is that you go into AgenticFlow.ai and /MCP. It will having you the around 2500 API and tool. There's only 3 steps that you need to set up in order to get it up and running. First one is configure your MCP server. Second one is connect your account and get the server URL. And finally is add the server URL into AgenticFlow. So how can you find this MCP server? Actually, you have a full directory here that you can have from all from AI, business, CRM, and so on, so that you can add to your server. So just imagine, how can I do it? So for example, I'm looking for like Google Docs. In here, I will just press a search, and I will see here, this is Google Docs, and I just click on that. And it will lead me into the internal dashboard leading to Google Docs in here. And what you need to do is you click on this link in here. Click on this one. It will lead you into a MCP provider that will have, normally you have to connect your account here. Just follow the step. It's super easy. You need to get this MCP URL. You just copy this URL and then you go back into AgenticFlow. Where is that? Okay, this one. So you paste it here and then you just put it a name like Google Docs and Sean AgenticFlow new, let's say this one, and you add this MCP server. Okay, so that you can see in here you have 2 MCP. Actually this one I created before and this one we just create. So now you have MCP connected. So how can you start to use this MCP? It's super easy, I will tell you. So for example, like you go into template that you just create a new agent. You can start from here, just create a new agent from scratch, or you can just reusing some of our AI agent. Let me pick the visual designer, our Iris here. Iris is equipped with some good tool to generate image and edit image, but right now I would like to add some more skills to that, like how can it access to my Google Docs. I just duplicate the agent. But you can see in here the Iris already added. In here you will see the MCP is not here yet. What you can do is that you click on add button here. It will load the list that you already connected. You can see Google Docs done at AgenticFlow.ai new. You just click add. Okay, you will be greeting what are the actions that this MCP have. It can replace text for you, replace image for you, or append text for you. But that's good. Okay, you see that it's already added. The MCP already added into this one. Let's refresh this one to make sure it's working. Alright, it's over here. Let me go into the MCP demo. This is my Google Drive folder. Let me create a new file, this one, on this Google Docs. And I was just saying, hello world. Hello MCP. Okay, so this is the new file that just create. I just copy this URL and I will go back to my agent. Hey, well, let me make it easier. So I just put it side by side so that everyone can see on this one. And for our AI agent, where is my AI agent? Okay, so this one. So what I can do is that I will just put the slide a bit on here and I go to here. I will say, hey, hello, please write a poem about how AgenticFlow with 2,500 MCP can have everyone to do sales and marketing. Okay, write this here, please. Okay, but I think we need to give it some more context, so I will just copy this one, some text in here, and I will give it some here. Okay, and what I will do is I'll just send the message to the agent. What is there is that it will determine that it needs to append text. Oh, okay. You can see in here, it's creating the poem. I need to add some more image as well. So I will check my agent again and see, okay, the agent have a tool to generate AI image and edit image. For some reason, it is put here because it's not authorized. You will need to have an API key to use in this one. So I will just click on this one. I will select a connection. I already have the connection before, but you can always like click add connection to get the key in here. It's securely storage. I will pick this one. And I will do the same for this one as well. Alright, so let me go back to here. Okay, I now create an image that this 2000 MCP add to my Google Docs. Okay. You can see here, the MCP already add a picture to the Google Docs, and then it's working. So it means with this one, we can equip our agent with different tool and workflow and different MCP so that it can connect to the world. And what's beautiful about AgenticFlow is that it's not only for your only use to use. You can actually publish that to different channels. You can change visibility to public, so the running will charge you, but you can use that for your team to do. You can embed to your website using this script. You can embed to your Shopify store, WordPress website, Magento, BigCommerce. We're also having the Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp. Everything is coming soon. I believe that this one is together with everything else is going to enhance the ability of the AI agent by a lot. It is actually going to be a game changer. I'm excited to see how this is working. When you have any suggestion or like what kinds of MCP that I can add, please click on this link. It will lead you to our feature roadmap. You can see our feedback here. You feel free to create more, and we will have you to implement that. So thanks a lot. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.